Hi, everybody. So what we're going to do today is create a virtual reality tour using this program called Tour Creator. Now, the way you get to this is very simple. You just go to google.com and you type in Google Tour Creator. This is where you'll run your expedition. So you'll be the one running the tablet with the expeditions and telling everybody all your different scenes. So here you go, and you click Get Started. And then for your tour, you just click on New Tour. Here's some examples of tours right here, but you click on New Tour and you're going to give your tour a title, which you can call it Frankenstein. Then you're going to write 2 to 3 sentences describing Frankenstein. And then you're going to actually create it with Google Expeditions. You also want to select an image for your cover photo. So if you select an image, you have to make sure you download it. But it has to be a certain size, your image. Just for this part, it has to be a certain size. So see how I just selected an image and it says the cover must be at least 476 by 432 and less than 1,000 by 1,000. So when you go to find your photo just for this one, all the other parts, it won't matter. But if you type in your photo, I'm going to type in Frankenstein, and then we go to images, and then we go to tools, and then show sizes. You'll see the size that you actually need. So remember, it needed to be 576, must be at least 576 by 432. So this one would work. So you go here, you go save image as, and then you save it. And then you go back to your tour creator, select your image, click on it, hit open, and there's your image. You want to also make sure that you create it with expeditions because that's how you're going to run it. So for your tour creator, you have all of these locations that you can choose. Somerstown, England, St. Petersburg, Russia, Archangel, Russia, Lake Como, Italy, Geneva, Switzerland, Ingolstadt, Orkney Island, North Pole, and then Frankenstein's castle. And then here's little snippets of how these relate to the novel Frankenstein, which can help you with your tour. So we'll start off with our first area, which will be Somerstown, London, UK. Now, Somerstown, London, UK, this is where Mary Shelley, the author, was born. And the way I know that is if I go here, this is the birthplace of Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley was born on August 30th, 1797. So you can get your information from there. So then you hit Add Scene. Now, for each scene that you have, you want to create a starting point. So you can make your starting point wherever you want it to be. Okay. And then set your starting point. Save. And then for each tour, you're going to write a title of where it is. So Somerstown, London, England. And then write 2 to 3 sentences. This is the birthplace of Mary Shelley. She is the author of Frankenstein. And then you need to add a point of interest. So for your point of interest, you can lay it really anywhere, but you want to talk about whatever it is, why you brought this place into your creator. So we're going to upload a photo of Mary Shelley because we'll pop that into our place of interest. So I'll type in Mary Shelley and then click on images, and then I'll find a picture of Mary Shelley, and then save image as, and then save, and then you go back to your tour creator, you click on select image, and then you go get your picture of Mary Shelley, and then you add it. So this will be part of your scene as you're giving your tour, and then title it Mary Shelley, and then get some information on Mary Shelley. Now you can pull it from your notes here that you're going to be given. She was born on August 30th, 1797. She married poet Percy Bysshe Shelley in 1816, and 2 years later she published her famous novel. So you can just write her birth date, and so you would go back to your tour creator, and you can write she was born on August, and then write the date. And then you can write one more thing about her. So for every location, you're going to give it a title. For every point of interest, you're going to give it a title, a 2-sentence description, and then a point of interest with a title and a 2-sentence description. So then once you're done with all that, Once you're done with your whole everything, you're going to hit publish. You're going to choose 5 different locations. You can use your notes and hit publish here. Once you hit publish, it's going to publish into the Google Expeditions where you're going to be able to run it with the class, with the VR. And then take this actual link, take your actual link, because now you can run it. Does everybody see that? And there's your point of interest. But you're going to take this actual link right up here and then paste it. Click share and then paste this link right into Google Classroom. Okay, so just take your link and paste it right into Google Classroom. And remember, you can use these notes. You can also use Google as well, but here's all your locations. There's 9, you can choose 5, and then you can run your VR with the class, which is kind of neat. Okay, thanks a lot.